split time, same direction. I know that it's my favorite timing and direction combination, and this combo makes use of it with every single trick that we go through. Drex here from DrexFactor.com, coming at you with a brand new combo for the month of August. This one is for the intermediates out there. I've been testing this combo out with my class here in Washington, D.C., and we found that it is a great way to play around with different transitions that all keep the poi in split time, same direction. For this month's combo, you're going to need the following tricks under your belt: windmills, wall plane flowers, body tracing hybrids, archer weave fountains, and spiral wraps. Now you can find links to some videos I've done that are tutorials on these tricks down in the description of this video, or up in the cards if you happen to be watching it on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys the combo at full speed, then break it down piece by piece, and finally show it to you again in slow motion. Sign up for my notification squad by clicking on the subscribe button and then the notification bell. This way you'll know exactly when I drop a new video. Before we dive in, I just want to give a shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flowtoys, LMF Props, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can visit them all by following the links down in the description of this video. So clearly, the most important part of this combo is to be able to hold on to split time, same direction, no matter what orientation your hands happen to be around your body. Now, there's a lot of different places that you can practice this, but the thing that's going to be most important for that is making sure that you keep that 1-2-1-2 count in your head to make sure that the poi are each getting their own downbeat. So with that said, here's how the combo starts. We're going to begin with 2 windmills, and we're just kind of starting from a dead stop. That is, the poi are both kind of in front of us, and I'm going to bring my left arm up first behind my head, and then my right arm follows it, yeah? 2 of those in a row, and then on the last one, we're going to switch it to an extension. The way we do this is when the left arm comes in front of me, I'm going to reach it down and around so the right hand can follow it through. After that extension, I'm going to do 1 anti-spin going into an extension, and then a second anti-spin going into an extension. This is that wall plane flower that we played with in a 1-minute tutorial way back in the day. After the second extension, you're going to stop with your arms out to the side. This is so you can catch your breath for just 1 second before you jump into the next trick. That next trick is that body tracing hybrid, where you bring both of your hands down and then up your body, going from that crosser position to windmill and then back out. Now from here, I want you to reach your left hand over to your right shoulder, and that's what's going to initiate that archer weave, going down and around and then back up and over. When you get back over to your right hand side, you're going to get the left hand out and clear of your right shoulder so that your arms are now spread eagle in front of you. Okay, so you're going to wind up with your arms kind of spread eagle out to the sides. And when this happens, you're going to do the one and only trick that is not on the list to have learned for this week. Mainly because I've never actually done a tutorial for it. What this is going to be is you're just going to be doing a simple turn with an in-spin flower. Here's how that's going to work. So from clockwise right here, I'm going to let my left hand go down and my left hand go up as I turn around to face the scrim behind me, like so. Now I'm going to stop in such a way that I can get my poi each doing a beat out to either side of my body. Essentially, I wind up back at the place where I started, except that now my poi, relative to me, seem to be turning counterclockwise. I'm going to do this again and let my left hand come down as my right hand comes up, and again, turn around to face the camera. I'm going to have this moment where I can stabilize the poi by just spinning them in front of me in wall plane. This time, relative to me, they look like they're going clockwise. So the way you want to think of this then is that it goes right hand down, right hand up in order to get back around to face the audience, right? You're also going to take a step to the side as you do this. So the first time I'm stepping out with my right foot, and then I'm stepping behind with my left foot in order to travel to stage left. Once you arrive back so that you're facing the audience, you're going to go ahead and top off this combo by doing one last beat and then doing a spiral wrap to finish it off. A quick tip for ending on that spiral wrap is that you actually want to twist your hands just slightly as you're going into the spiral wrap to bring the poi to a complete stop, yeah? Cool, let's go through all of that again. Okay, so from a dead stop, I'm going to let the left hand come up to lead it. So I do windmill 1, windmill 2, left hand comes down and around to the extension, anti-spin 1, extension, anti-spin 2, extension, I stop, I do the body tracing hybrid, left hand comes over my right shoulder, we do archer weave down and around, archer weave up and over, left hand gets clear, and we turn with the flower once, we turn with the flower twice, and stop it by doing a spiral wrap right here in front of us, yeah? Not that long a combo. Anyways, let's watch that again in slow-mo. So before I set you guys loose, I just wanted to highlight some of you guys out there that have been learning these combos and posting them to Instagram. Specifically, I wanted to show off some of the videos of your work. We're going to start off with Dempsey78044. Great job. Next up, we have Lydia Dynamics, who did a really trippy and really cool double exposure video here. Fantastic work. Both of these spinners were performing the June combo. If you would like to see your video of my choreography posted in one of these tutorials, please post it to Instagram with the hashtag DrexFactorPoi, and I may feature you in a future tutorial. Real quick before we go, I just wanted to send out a massive thank you to all of my awesome supporters on Patreon. You guys are the reason that I'm able to make these videos, so thank you. If you dug this video and you'd like to see more like it, please click the subscribe button up here. Over here are some other videos that you may enjoy, including a playlist of videos that are just like the one that you just watched. Finally, if you'd like to support the work that I do, you can join my Patreon by either clicking down here or going to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. Thanks in advance.